This is a Word backup file. If Word crashes, this file saves your bacon. Rename the extension from WBK to docx and it will open right up. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's rescue your work. I call this the last resort solution for those WBK files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A WBK file is a backup file. The specific software associated with a WBK file depends on the context in which it was created. It's essential to identify the originating application to properly restore or utilize the data contained within the WBK file. These files are crucial for data recovery and preventing data loss. The design of a WBK file is dictated by the software that creates it. Typically, it contains a complete or partial copy of the original file's data, structured in a way that allows the software to revert to a previous state. The internal format can vary widely, ranging from simple binary dumps to complex version data structures. For direct reading of WBK content, the best choice is Microsoft Word developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows can render a preview, but full functionality, like styling or layout, requires a document editor. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the WBK file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Word is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your WBK file still refuses to open, stay calm. Because the WBK format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, use Microsoft Word. Open the file using Microsoft Word, the required application for the document. Next, rename to docx. Rename the file extension to docx and try opening it in Word. Finally, use Alternative Viewer. Open the file using LibreOffice Writer or OpenOffice to salvage text. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.